Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a drop-down menu in Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So as we can see right now, I'm in my site editor and I want to add a drop-down inside of the shop all items. So I'm going to clicking on menus and pages and clicking on add page, blank page. So basically I'm going to create sub items for my shop all page. So I'm going to giving the name here, done, and I'm going to create another page and I'm giving the page name here drop down 2. And clicking on done. So here we can see I have created 2 items inside of my menu, and now I will show you how to create drop down. So again, go to menus and pages, and so I'm dragging this drop down one inside of shop all page and also this one. And here you can see these 2 items right now inside of shop all page. And now if I preview my site, and here we can see I have successfully created a drop down menu. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.